Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are exploring the world of fashion designing. Ever dreamed of creating clothes that turn heads? Today, I'll show you how you can become a top fashion designer, even if you're just starting after 12th grade. Fashion design is not just about sketching outfits. It's the creative art of turning ideas into wearable expression. It's about crafting clothes, shoes, bags, and accessories that don't just cover the body. They speak to the soul. Every iconic design starts with inspiration, from nature, culture, or even raw emotion, and transforms into stylish creations through fabrics, patterns, and color. But fashion design isn't only about drawing or sewing. It's about solving problems through style. It demands a deep understanding of human behavior, lifestyle trends, and personal identity. Great designers don't just follow fashion trends, they set them. They know how to mix creativity with consumer needs and innovation with aesthetics. Whether it's luxury couture or urban streetwear, fashion design reflects personality, power, and purpose. It tells stories without words, using texture, silhouette, and color as its language. Behind every dress, shoe, or handbag is a process of experimentation, imagination, and detail. Designers must think globally, act sustainably, and stay ahead of ever-evolving trends like sustainable fashion, digital fashion design, and AI in fashion. In today's world, fashion is more than beauty. It's influence, culture, and even activism. It shapes how we feel and how we're seen. That's why fashion design is a powerful career, one that blends creativity, innovation, and emotional intelligence. In short, fashion design is wearable art. It's where passion meets purpose and where trends are born from bold ideas. Skills needed to become a fashion designer: creativity, thinking outside the box, good drawing skills, sketching ideas, sense of color and fabrics, knowing what looks good, observation skills, spotting trends, communication skills, explaining your ideas, teamwork, working with models, photographers, stylists, time management, deadlines are real, basic computer knowledge, simple tools like Canva or Photoshop. Even if you can't draw perfectly today, don't worry, skills can be learned. Eligibility criteria: after 12th, completed 10+2, any stream, science, commerce, arts. Minimum 50% marks, some institutes ask. Entrance exams for top colleges like Nifty Entrance, UC'd. Age limit: some courses have an upper limit of around 23 years. Good news, you don't need to be from a science or arts background. Passion matters the most. Career path after 12th, 10 tot 1300. Step 1, finish 12th grade. Step 2, appear for entrance exams, optional for private institutes. Step 3, join a fashion designing course, diploma or degree. Step 4, build a portfolio, show your designs. Step 5, intern under a brand or designer. Step 6, get your first fashion job or launch your brand. Step 7, keep learning and stay updated with fashion trends. Evolve with the industry to stay relevant and in demand. Entrance exams for fashion design programs in India are typically held in January and February. Notable examples include the NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, entrance exam for 2025 was held in February 2025. Other design entrance exams like the NID, National Institute of Design, Design Aptitude Test, DAT, and UC'd, Undergraduate Common Entrance Examination for Design, also fall within this time frame. Hence, the students who are appearing for the board exam in 2026 need to give the entrance test in January and February 2026. However, some fashion design programs may require the CUET, Common University Entrance Test, for undergraduate admissions. CUET is a national-level entrance exam for undergraduate programs in central, state, and some private universities in India. For 2025, CUET is scheduled to be held between May 8th and June 1st. Top fashion colleges in India. NEFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology. Multiple cities. Pearl Academy, Delhi and Mumbai. Symbiosis Institute of Design, Pune. NID, National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. Top fashion colleges. Globally. Parsons School of Design, New York. Fashion Institute of Technology, FIT, New York. Central St. Martin's, London. Istituto Marangoni, Milan. London College of Fashion. Don't stress about big names. Even smaller colleges can create big designers if you work hard. Scope of fashion designing today. India's fashion market is booming: wedding fashion, sustainable fashion, influencer brands. Global demand for creative designers. New areas: eco-friendly fashion, digital fashion, fashion tech startups. Fashion influencers, stylists, and personal shoppers are new booming fields. In today's world, fashion isn't just on the ramp. It's on Instagram, YouTube, and even the metaverse. Highest and average payout. Freshers in India, rupees 3 lakh per annum to ours, 6 lakh per annum, around rupees 25,000 rupees, 50,000 monthly. Top designers are after 5 to 10 years, rupees 12 lakh per annum to rupees 50 lakh per annum. Global average, $50,000, $90,000 annually. Highest earners, personal stylists for celebs, earn in crore. Your earnings grow with your skills, portfolio, and creativity. There's no fixed limit. Best platforms and agencies for fashion designers. Platforms: Behance for portfolio building, LinkedIn for job networking, Instagram for showcasing designs, Pinterest, trend spotting. Agencies and brands: Vogue, India, H&M, Zara, Manish, Malhotra Designs, Sabyasachi, Couture Design, houses like Reliance Brands Limited. Today, your Instagram can become your runway if you post smart. Fashion designing is a fun, colorful, high-paying career if you have creativity and commitment. Fashion isn't just what you wear, it's how you express yourself. So start your journey today. Creativity is intelligence with fun, Albert Einstein. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career guides.